5 reasons to choose Next Tasha Barquana. San Pablo. 1. Prime location and fast access. Right along the upcoming SLEX TR4. Travel time from Manila drops to approximately 45 to 60 minutes. San Pablo Tiong segment opens late 2026. Full operations by mid-2027. Minutes from San Pablo City proper. SM San Pablo, schools, hospitals, and transport hubs. 2. Complete European-inspired township. 22-hectare master plan community with town plaza, chapel, grand ballroom, commercial spaces, parks, playground, jogging paths, and covered courts. Everything you need within reach. 3. Safe, smart, and future-ready. 24/7 scripted security and CCTV. With solar-lit streets, fiber-ready connectivity, EV charging provisions, and NXT Green sustainable design built for modern living. 4. Affordable and flexible terms. Low entry pricing. Pag-ibig Bank in-house accredited. Low down payment options. And early buyer discounts. Perfect for first-time families and investors. 5. High growth potential. First major township ahead of SLEX, PR4 opening. Property values expected to rise 20 to 30% plus once fully operational. Secure your home now at pre-selling rates. G. Abaha Manahan 09-1-31-25-981. Pwede po ba akong ma-approve sa home loan? A. Opo, posible po kayong ma-qualify. Basta ma-meet ninyo ang requirements ng Pag-ibig o bank financing. Para ma-check natin kung anong financing option ang pinakaangkop sa inyo, please call or text o 975-312-5981. FB page, Estonia Calamba, BGA Manahan.